Hello everyone, I am Amit here. This is Visualization of Data playlist, and today we will cover a scatter graph in it. So let's move to scatter graph now. Earlier we have discussed line graph, bar graph, histogram graph. Scatter graph. Scatter graph is like you are scattering values in a space. You have the value and you will represent in the space. You will just pointing it out in this space and it will create a scatter graph. It is very useful when you are dealing with outlier, so you can easily identify, right, when you have all the data point nearby and one data point is far away. So it is very easy to visualize that, yeah, you have outlier in your data. What is outlier? Which is beyond the normal distribution, normal values. Like if we compare our salary with Ambani salaries, so we will see our salaries is nearby zero and his salary is above huge value, and it will impact, right? If you take a mean, even this one person can put impact on your data, and if data is impacted, definitely your model will be impacted. So let's understand the scatter graph. A scatter plot is a type of chart that is often used in the field of statistics and data science. As I said, uh, it consists of multiple data points plotted across two axes, x and y. We plot the points. Each variable depicted in a scatter plot would have multiple observation. We will have definitely multiple observation for x and y. It is a scatter plot includes more than two variable, then we would use different colors. Yeah, if we have different points, definitely we need different color coding so that we can identify, otherwise all the dot will look like a same, right? Scatter plot is a classical and fundamental plot used to study the relationship or to compare between two variables. Even like in bar graph, we compare the data. Even in this same scatter graph, we can compare the data. How much one variable is affected by another variable to build a relation out of it. The data is displayed as a collection point, each having the value of one variable, which determines the position on the horizontal axis, and the value of other variable determine the position of vertical axis. Let's move to the uh, ID. So we have this. So we have called pipe. We have imported PyPlot from matplotlib library. You can see the variable for look for correlation. We have two data, x and xy and x1 y1. A number of element in xy should be same. Now I have used scatter, plt.scatter, and now I've given label. Label will be uh, displayed using legend. I have given a different color code, X label, Y label. We already have seen it. Title scatter graph. Let's represent the graph. You can see all the values are scattered in 2D space. So you can see when X is 1, you can see the value of first data variable A, sorry, variable B is 2 and variable A is 5. So you can compare data. You can compare data, you can see the distribution. As long x moves towards other side, you can see what is the value of y. Thanks for watching this video. We will come back again with more videos on the graphs. Till then, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching it.